What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this chunky twist barrel braid. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. What's up, family? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a really simple but yet popular braid on chunky twists. You also see this braid with 2-strand twists. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you're going to do is section some hair at the top of the head. All right, so you're basically going to make a U part at the crown with your 2-strand twist. So I have my section of hair here that I separated from the crown of the head, and I wanted to take a quick moment just to give you guys a quick tip when you're doing this braid. All right, however your lock grid is, square, triangle, diamond, whatever, just split your hair down the middle and think of your 2-strand twist or your chunky twist as 2 different sections that you're going to be pulling hair from to create this braid. So the first thing you want to do to start this braid is make an X, all right? And before we add any hair in, we're going to start with the hair that we're holding, the hair we separated from the crown, all right? So you're going to take a chunky twist from each side of the top crown area, not the front, but somewhere here. And we're going to make an X, okay? First, go over once, get one from this side, just like so. Make an X. Now the next thing that we're going to do is grab a lock from the top front, okay? And then we're going to bring it back and just cross it over that last lock that we crossed over. We're going to switch hands and hold that lock that holding we just this lock over here that we just pulled from the front, holding that very firmly. We're going to grab a lock from this side, make an X. We're going to cross it right over that last chunky twist we just pulled over. Cross it over, hold the hair here. All right, then we're going to come from the other side. Particularly, you can grab it wherever you want, the front or the back. Just grab a lock from that side, make an X, cross it over this last one that we just did. Cross it over, holding it firmly, lay it in place. We're going to hold that very last lock. This is the main lock we're holding. Crossing over this last one. We're going to hold that lock. We're going to grab some other locks, but we're going to mainly hold this one firmly with our thumb. Just like so. Hold it into place. Then we're going to grab a lock from this side. Or should I say a chunky twist. We're going to grab a chunky twist. Cross it over. Okay, so I've brought you guys in a little bit closer, and this is the last chunky twist that we brought over, and we're simply holding it under our thumb. We're going to grab a chunky twist from this side and simply make an X. Cross that one. We're going to bring it over. And remember, it's very important that you hold the last chunky twist that you're crossing over the X very firmly. Okay, very firmly into your hand. Grab some hair here just to help you grip this chunky twist. So we just brought it over. So we literally just brought it over, grab some hair, and we're holding it just like so. We're going to continue. We're going to grab a chunky twist from this side, simply cross over. We're making an X. We're going to hold that twist, grab a little bit of hair for grip, just like so. That's the last one. Grab a chunky twist from this side, make that X. Just like so. We're going to hold that chunky twist, grab some hair for grip, hold it under our thumb. Continuing, grab a chunky twist from this side. We're going to make that X. Okay? Holding that chunky twist, grab some hair for grip. Keep that right under our thumb, okay? Keep it under your thumb. We're going to come from the other side, grab a chunky twist, make an X. We're making an X. Hold that chunky twist. Grab some hair for grip. Got that under your thumb there, just like that. The very last chunky twist. We're going to continue, grab a chunky twist from this side. We're making an X. Coming across, just like so. Grabbing that chunky twist, grab some hair for grip, bring it right across. Hold it. This is the last chunky twist that we brought around. We're gonna grab one from the other side, simply making an X. Okay. We're gonna hold that twist, hold some of that hair for grip. We're gonna come from the other side. This is the last one here. We're gonna make an X. All right, hold that chunky twist. Hold it. Hold some of this hair just for grip. And as you can see, there's no more hair for us to pull from. So I'm going to show you how to continue this braid down the shaft of the locks if you like to. You could also secure it here at the bottom of the hairline, or you can bring it down further. I'm going to show you both techniques, how to secure it right here at the bottom of the hairline and how to bring it down further down the shaft of the locks. So to secure your braid here at the bottom of the hairline, what you want to do is grab the very last chunky twist that you brought over before this one. Okay, just like so. We're going to take that hair and take it around the back. We're going to cross it in the back. Okay, we're going to come back around to the front. We're going to do the same thing, do a cross, just like so. We're going to go right back around. We're going to take a rubber band, secure it, secure those two chunky twists in the back together. That's pretty much how you secure the braid right there at the hairline. You could just stop there and just leave it as is. However, if you like it to come down further, I'll show you how to continue down the shaft of these locks. What you want to do is grab two of your longer chunky twists. We're going to start off going around the back. We're going to overlap those two chunky twists we just secured it with, and we're going to come around. All right, we're going to do a crisscross following the same pattern that we've been doing, just like so. We're going to go right back around, and we're going to secure it. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to take two of our longer chunky twists, okay? Two of our longer chunky twists. We're going to start off and go around the back, crisscross it, overlapping the two we just secured it with, come around the front. We're going to double cross those chunky twists like that, and we're going to go around, take it right to the back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.